Well, we're back this morning. It was Friday yesterday, and we got these in just right at the end of the day in kind of the showroom, so there's a bit of a mess. So I'm here Saturday morning, and I'm going to clean some of it up, and I'll let you guys go over some of it with me, and you can kind of see what's going to go on. That's currently somebody had a 305 in this. They were running like 699 or 7 seconds in the eighth. But it's pretty much a stock 305 from what I understand. So we'll go back to a little peppier small block, whether we stick this 406 in. It's got like 14-to-1 compression and stuff, and maybe we'd run it on alcohol, get rid of the tunnel ram, put a Hillborn on it. Not sure, but we're gonna clean up all the frame. I think I had that cage put on about 38 years ago, didn't like it. And I think we're going to change it to a more nostalgic looking cage, so they're not so wide in the upper portion, they narrow in. So I think we'll do that, but I'll let you guys watch along as we're cleaning up some of this mess, get rid of some of the junk that was on it. And the last guy apparently wasn't keeping it too clean, so I think I'll just start with a good cleaning and then kind of see where we can go from there. These back rims are magnesium. They've let them get pitted up pretty bad. So I think I'll have a look at trying to polish them up here at some point. I don't know what he wants. He wants to leave. Maybe he's camera shy. Okay. And yeah, so we'll start cleaning this up. But it's got an 8 3/4 Dodge in it. That's where you sit. You straddle your legs over the diff. And it used to have a handbrake in it. I put a pedal in it years ago. And it's got a shorty glide in it. So that'll be staying. I think that's the same, looks like the same one I had years ago, because it's got the big holes opened up to cool the converter and stuff. So I think it's probably the same one. I think I remember that J-Bone company rear section, I believe. So, yeah, at this point, I'm just gonna clean everything up and see what we've got going on from there. You guys can follow along as we turn this into, I don't know, it's kind of a dirty little pig to a cool old front engine nostalgic dragster again. I wanna kind of keep it very nostalgic looking, so. We'll start there, but we'll start by maybe boxing some of the stuff up that we know we're not using and just flat out cleaning some of it up. Okay, we'll be back.